Here in front of me I've got 3 new Massdi models, aka Jackie Kim Diecast. Let's start with this one over here, and yes, I was triggered by the cartoon kitties on the van. Let's see, it is Supremo Cat. Never heard of it, but I think in Asia is quite a big thing. Officially a licensed product from Toyota, that is what we like. And here we got the barcode and article number, some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Peace and love, yes, that is very important. Okay, let's get this knife out and open the box because it's still in plastic. I think I'm going to put my knife right here. There we go. Already like the package. Okay, yeah, I was triggered by the cartoon figures here in front of the window, but why? We have these white lights here in the front. I'm not sure if I like that. Okay, we're going to have a look at the model. We're going to detail mode. Very good rolling wheels. Kitty feet here at the window. I like the artwork on the side. Not sure if I'm happy with the paint work. And it would be cool if there was a transparent window so we can see the interior. Here in the back, oh, cool artwork. And we have a metal base with some details. Okay. And good profile on the tires. But how about these lights? I think it's supposed to be this way, but it would be better if it were normal lanced lights. Let's see if I can take this off. Okay, and then we have this. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be like this, but I'm going to take the other one off also as well, because I don't like it with the white. I think it's much cooler with the black. Yeah, this is also cool. To be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed by the lights and the not transparent window. For the rest, it's kind of cool with the kitty. What was it? Supremo Cat? Supremo Cat. Have to look it up what it is. Okay, next model. Toyota Land Cruiser LC300, and I bought this one because of the tires. I think the tires are looking very cool on this model. Again, officially licensed product. I hope that it's true. Let's open this up. There we go. Box package, I like that. Here we got the model. This one is gray, but I think you can order it in different colors. Yeah, look at those tires. Nice off-road tires. Very cool looking model. LC300. Lanced lights. The cool thing here on the hood is the air intake right here. They made it black. I like that. There is a mirror in the middle. There is a Toyota logo on the steering wheel. And let's have a look in the interior. Yeah, that looks good. I think no details on the dashboard. No, just a black interior. But interior is looking good. Also in the back. We got heating in the back window. Lanced lights. A Land Cruiser. And we got a metal base with a silver exhaust and a spare tire. I like that. Also, perfect rolling wheels. No suspension. But this model is looking very cool. Then I've got another Toyota Land Cruiser. This is the LC80 1994. And this one, as you can see, is weathered. Let's have a look at the box first. Also a licensed product. Back when it was still Jackie Kim Diecast, they also made weathered cars. So I'm happy they continuing with that. Spare tire, heating in the back window. Let's switch to detail mode. Lanced lights. There's also weathering here at the bottom. I like that. A silver exhaust. Some weathering at the wheels. And here in the front, none on the hood. Also none on top of the window. So the weathering could be a little bit better in my opinion. This looks like to me that it's done in a hurry, and I understand because I think these made in pretty large numbers. Yeah. Let's have a look inside. We got the Toyota logo on the steering wheel and some silver paint also on the steering wheel. For the rest, no colored interior details. No. Come on, focus. Would be cool if there were no seats here all the way in the back, but just a place with some accessories. That would be cool. Colored accessories. That would be even better. But overall, a very nice car with a metal body and metal base, silver exhaust, spare tire, good rubber rolling tires, and some weathering, which is not the best weathering I have seen in my diecast life. But yeah, let me ask you a question. What is your favorite? Or maybe your favorite is the van with the kitties. And did I make a mistake about taking these white lights off? Or do you think it looks better this way? Anyway, thanks for watching and have a very nice day. Don't forget to like and share. Click, click, click. Bye.